thank you for clicking on this video and welcome to Lazy Cooking with Sabrina. Alright, I'm so excited that you guys clicked on this video and I hope you guys like this recipe. This is going to be my Instapot Parmesan chicken. This one looks super good. I know it may look a little funky. I ain't gonna lie, it look a little weird. But yo, the flavor though on this sucker is bomb. Yeah, and definitely, anyway, if you guys like this recipe, definitely don't be stingy. Definitely share, like, comment, and subscribe. Enough of the talking. Let's get into this video. Alright, I start off with 2 tablespoons of butter. I cubed up my chicken breast, and I also chopped up a half of an onion. And I put that in my Instapot. I have my Instapot set at on the sauteed section. You can cook this, this dish without my Instapot. You're going to have to adjust the water measurements, of course. Then I added black pepper, onion powder, and some chicken bouillon. Just to let you know, I season my food to taste. So, do for what you boo. And I use just start off with a half a teaspoon. And then once the chicken is done, I put a whole cup of heavy whipping cream, 1 can of cream of chicken, and I put 2 cups of water in there, and then I mixed it all in. Alright, now when it comes to the rice, I use 2 cups of rice, and I recommend that you just place it on top. Do not mix it in like I just did, because it will stick to the bottom. I don't know, I just totally forgot that tip, so just to let you know, don't do that. And then I also added like a little teaspoon of some garlic salt and another like a half a teaspoon of black pepper. I set that sucker and I cooked it in for about 28 minutes or so. You may have to adjust it according to how much chicken you put in there. I put about a half a cup of Parmesan cheese and a half a cup of Monterey Jack cheese, and I put a half of a bar of some cream cheese, and then I mixed it all in there, and then I just kind of cooked it a little bit longer until everything was nice and creamy and melted. And this is how it turned out. Looks super yummy, definitely was a hit, super delicious. And then I just added, just for coloring, a little bit of dry parsley on top, and this is a super easy meal. You can serve it with some broccoli on the side. This can actually just be a side dish to something else that you cook. It's really endless of the things you can do with this meal. If you guys tried it out, definitely let me know. I appreciate all your love and support. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and do all that good stuff. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. And as always, guys, God bless. Mwah.